actually really spontaneous.
Oh, okay.
I never set up the shot. I just aim the camera and ask you a question, you answer.
Okay.
Okay, so this gentleman, what's your name?
Paul Wichterman.
Paul Wichterman. He is here, and he's a vendor over here at the Classic Auto Mall. And he was talking to Ed and saying so many good things about it that I said, well, let's put it on video so you guys can hear his opinion out there in YouTube land.
Okay.
So tell me your experience.
Okay, this is one of the best shows I've ever been at. The facilities are fantastic. It's set up so well. Paul, one of your associates,
Ed.
Ed plus
Ed,
Paul. They really did a great job of allowing us to come here. Very reasonable rates. We couldn't ask for a better location.
All right.
I'm president of the local Studebaker chapter.
Oh, Studebakers. I know a couple Studebaker guys.
And this is great. We really appreciate it. And we'd like to, in the future, with our Studebaker Club, we have 12,000 members worldwide. And
12,000 members worldwide?
Worldwide,
What's
yes.
the give the Studebaker Club website? Do you have it?
Studebaker Drivers Club International.
.com?
.com.
Well, that's a long one.
It sure
Studebaker
is. Drivers
Club International.com. That's the longest. All right, see underneath? That is a long domain name. So type it out letter for letter.
Okay.
Thank you.
But we would definitely like to, have some of our events scheduled here too.
Well,
with yours.
There you go. There's a vendor testimonial for the Auto Mall. It's a positive experience. So if you're a vendor thinking about coming out,
definitely come.
2 thumbs up?
You won't be disappointed.
2 thumbs up?
Definitely. They give more than they promise. They
wow.
really do.
And you don't hear that often nowadays. So
not today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, there you go, guys. If you're a vendor,
Very good.
listen to this gentleman. He's got the experience.
Thank you.